Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my night routine. It's fairly simple, but some of you guys asked for it, so here we are. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, and follow your girl on Instagram, of course, for more videos like this. If you want any other video, make sure you guys comment it down below. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So first off, it's been a long day, so I want to take this makeup off. It is expired, stale, all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some skincare right now. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Take the Day Off. This actually cleans my face so well when on the days that I'm wearing makeup. It just makes my skin feel super clean but also not dry. So I go ahead, get some of this, warm it up in my hands, and then go ahead and spread it all over my face to remove my makeup. It even removes a lot of stubborn makeup too, like my lower lash line if I need it. This day I kind of had light makeup on, but it still got all the makeup off so well. And I always dry my face with a paper towel, and this shows me how much more I need to clean my skin. And as you can see, the paper towel didn't have a lot of excess makeup on it, so this removed my makeup so well. My skin felt so clean. And then I'm going to go in with this blackhead scrub from Clinique as well. I've been loving some of the Clinique products, so I decided to try them all out together today, and I felt great. So this is the 7-day pore cleanse scrub from Clinique. You can use it as a mask, you can use this as a cleanser, a scrub, whichever you want to. I love that it's multifunctional, but I go ahead and work that onto my skin and my nose where I have most blackheads, and I'm just gonna go ahead and further cleanse my skin. And also, of course, a little exfoliation too. So on the days that I'm wearing makeup, I actually cleanse my face first and then I hop in the shower at night, just so I can have the steam kind of open my pores a little bit so that I can go in with like toners and serums and things like that. I also wanted to cleanse my lashes too as well, just because I was wearing a lot of makeup, and I just want to make sure that you cleanse it off your lashes so they last long. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with some toner as well. And as you can see, on my cotton pad, which I always have makeup on, the Take the Day Off and the scrub did a really good job of cleaning my skin because my cotton pad was pretty much clear. So now I'm going to go in with the Clinique Moisture Surge. Y'all, I love this moisturizer. It feels so good on my skin. I can wear it in the daytime. At night I can wear it under my makeup, and as you can see, the skin is just glowing. I love how it feels. It soaks into my skin so well. Like, y'all have to try this moisturizer for sure. Also, thank you so much to Clinique for sponsoring this video. Shout out to Clinique. I'm absolutely loving these products, so I'll leave everything linked down below so you guys can check them out as well. That's pretty much it for my skincare routine. So now I want to go ahead and cook dinner. Honestly, like I said, I had a long day. I just want to take that makeup off first and then get into the rest of my night routine. So tonight I'm going to be making some Old Bay shrimp and spicy pasta. So I'm going to go ahead and season up my shrimp and put my water on to boil. I'm going to use my gluten-free pasta, and I know some of you might be like, the water is not even boiling. Actually, my pot has this technology to where it doesn't boil, y'all. I don't know, but I was confused when I first got it too, but that's just the technology of that pot. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cooking. I'm also going to use this sauce from Primal Kitchen that I found at the grocery store. It's like non-dairy, gluten-free, all that good stuff. So I'm going to use this as a base, and I'm just going to go ahead and season it and add things to it. I never eat it like it is because it can be a little acidic as well. So I do add a little bit of sugar to cut that. I added some red pepper flakes, add a little bit of seasoning, just kind of dress it up. Because sometimes it can be a little bland and acidic, but once you add your little flair to it, it tastes really good. So just go ahead and fold the pasta in there. Like I said, add some sugar to cut that acidity from the tomatoes. I have this thing where I really want all of my food to just look really, really good. So I've been working on my plating, and just making it look super appetizing is just something that I just really love to do with all of my meals. It's just something fun to do. But this meal was actually so good, so delicious, y'all. It was amazing. Went ahead and poured me a glass of wine as well, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and sit down, chill, watch some Netflix while I eat, just have a little me time. There's nothing like lighting candles, watching a show, just having a nice peaceful night. Like, that's just something that I love to create in my home, a nice peaceful setting, because this is my sanctuary pretty much. So I really wanted to just have the vibes and just be super cozy and comfortable at nighttime for sure, especially as I'm winding down throughout the night. And also especially after a super long day like I had. So gonna watch a Netflix show. I said I was gonna wind down and be peaceful, but I'm about to watch this crazy show on Netflix called The Ultimatum. If y'all have watched it, then y'all know this show is insane, but it's actually really good. I love making enough food for leftovers, so I'm going to go ahead and meal prep that for the next day, and I'm going to throw that in the fridge. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I preserve my low buns, because I know some people have been asking about that too, and this was the perfect day because the next day I wanted to take pictures, so I didn't really want to redo my hair all over again. So this is how I preserve it throughout the nighttime. So I take it out of the bun because I don't want my hair to break off. Even if it does, I mean, hey, it's just hair. But this is how I prevent that. So at nighttime, I take it out and I just put it in a braid, and then I just tie down my actual like hair and root area, put a bonnet on, and that's how I preserve my hair. And then in the morning, I can take the braid out and just put the hair right back in a bun, refresh my baby hair, and we're all good to go. And then pretty much at the end of the night, I go ahead and get right in the bed. But before I get in the bed, I want to make sure that I get all my thoughts out of my head. So I go ahead, open my planner, write down my to-do list, go through my calendar in my phone, and kind of sync everything together. Just make sure I'm getting everything out, making sure I'm ready for the next day. And I feel like my mornings go smoother when I have a to-do list already done at nighttime. Sometimes I don't do it at night, sometimes I do. It really just depends how I'm feeling. But this night I felt kind of good. I felt like I could go ahead and just jot down some thoughts and things like that. So that's what I'm doing now. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. Like I said, my night routine is very simple, very peaceful. I don't like to do too much because I just don't, okay? I'll be ready to get in the bed after a long day, okay? So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some of your night routine rituals down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.